Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have this steam iron to repair. Customer said it's not steaming. Iron is hot but no steam. Yeah. So this is the model number. Yeah, I'll remove the cover. Then video will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, I have removed and finally I have found this problem was this pump motor. Yeah, I have changed and I have fixed. And there is for boiler there is neutral and live line. Here you can check the continuity. And second thing, this is the switch, and this is the one kind of switch. This live line from water pump water, and neutral line is getting from the iron switch. Yeah, if you see your boiler is hot, so your boiler is okay, it's confirmed. So if there you see if there is no water inside, so that means it's confirmed its problem is the pump water. Yeah, so I have changed that. So I'll put a little bit water. So let's see, we have to test it. After we put water, so we have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, motor is working. So I can, yeah, see there is magic. So this motor is working. So we have to see there's steaming or not. Yeah, alhamdulillah, it's steaming. Yeah, this is the main problem. So it has been solved, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much dear viewers for watching my video. If you have any question, you can just comment, then I'll try to answer it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.